level was for that house there. Yeah, you can see the water level right about here. That's where he got. I don't think he got in this home. That's still about 3.5 feet of water there. You can see where the water level was on this vehicle right here. I believe that's it on the house. Go ahead, Joe, the next one. Right below the window line, all the way across. Okay. Go ahead, next one. And I don't think that that's changed much. Thank you. This is the fixed place? Yes. Water level should be right about in here where it came up, so it's gone down quite a bit. The water is coming back and it's running pretty strong back into here, back into the banks of the river. Go ahead, Joe. You can see where it was. Right there. How high are those poles?
I'm not sure.
They're about 10 foot.
About 10 foot? Okay. This right here is still halfway submerged. Go ahead, Joe. Just showing how the water's still running. It's kind of blurry, but the water's still running pretty strong through some of the low-lying areas. Here's as far as we can get on this one, I believe. Area here.
Is that at the 750 release?
This is at the 750. Yes, sir.
Is that at the bend right before Vic's house?
I believe so.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Hey, Jerry, can you go back one more? Back?
Go back one, Joe.
That's a hard one, you can barely see it.
Okay. We got some better ones of that.
Oh,
A little bit on another. Go ahead, Joe. Go ahead. Just trying to show you how, this fence is still underwater.
As of yesterday.
Probably still the same.
Yeah, nothing.
This is just, the water's running back into the river from here. There's still a good current going through there.
I don't have a house number, it's a VA.
This house right here is one of the first homes, I believe, as you make that bend next to yours.
Yeah, that's a guy, it's a trucker that actually just moved down here from Ohio.
Okay, and it got right to the bottom of his windows, all the way around.
Sheriff, go back one, please.
Go back one, Joe.
That right there on the right is actual road, not the river, right?
No.
Yeah,
no.
that's the
That's the
road.
river.
The road's right here, on the
Okay,
front.
okay,
This is water rushing back into the river right here.
okay.
This is the front of the house.
That's where
Oh,
the
yeah, that
main part
is.
is right now, you can't get across right in front of his house.
Right. Go ahead, Joe.
Yeah, they was going.
Yeah.
Yes?
That's the other side.
Gas line.
That gas
You can see it right here. From this house. And you can see how the water still got a good current going with it.
That's right across from that house.
Yeah,
That's Capitol B.
Yes, Capitol's on the back
That's
side.
the-
Right across from that brick house.
Is that same home? This is,
Miss Dom.
Dom?
Dome.
Yeah, she was pretty much done.
This little building here. You can see, water line went over the fence. This right here, I think there's a lawnmower or something that's there.
No, that's a trash can.
Trash can?
Just so you know, that's the fence.
No, that's.
Okay.
You know, the new ones that start setting.
Go ahead, Joe.
From the high one.
That's Carlin's house was almost completely underwater.
Go back one, Joe.
It's one they missed.
That's the one they missed.
There was two in there? I only saw one. I had to run them out of my backyard.
Okay. Here's a water line on this shed, right here. And that's at the, when they cut it down from 1,000 to 750. Is that all that's on that one, Joe? You can see the back shed. Right about in there.
No, it wasn't that high. I went in that house, it only had about 8 inches of water in it.
8 inches.
That's my house.
That's your house.
Fort.
And I think you all got about 8 inches in there?
Nah, it was more like 5.
Okay.
And in the front and the back, there was like 3.
Is that blue?
Yeah, actually
That's-
blue
they
there.
all-
Nothing
they all
feeder.
are.
It's showing, I think.
That house got nothing.
Nothing in this house here, and that's on the house on the corner there, which makes it big.
Nothing in ours.
There's sand and gravel. Okay.
That's right after you turn, after the gravel plant's
One more,
sharp
Joe.
turn.
I think we already covered this. See, there's a water line right here.
I didn't have anything in my backyard.
Those were the guys that were sitting up on the.
You can see
Kind of went
the,
around
in
it.
this house where, this is all from inside the house, it's not debris on the outside, the water running through the house, and that's where the water line ended up right there.
That's
That was taken, Monday morning. Yeah. You what now?